What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a super long time. I'm not wearing any makeup today. I look tired, clearly. I've taken a break because school's getting to me. I'm not used to doing homework and none of that kind of stuff, and I look tired. I haven't worn makeup for like weeks. It's a hot mess right now. But well, I do wear makeup maybe like I do wear makeup maybe like once a week. I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna get straight to this unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of September, as well as my Ipsy. I will be going ahead and doing the Ipsy. I did peek in the box or the bag already. I'm going to just give you guys a brief summary of my beauty preferences. I do choose only makeup, no skincare, hair care, or nail stuff. So don't forget to like and subscribe. The packaging looks like this, or the makeup bag looks like this month. It definitely is very cute. It has like a little lash thing going on. I like wearing lashes, although I can't get the hang of wearing them for the life of me. The theme this month is, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. I feel like my brain is like tired. I don't know. I've been really out of it lately. First things first, I see here a Winky Luxe eyeshadow, I believe, in the color Ursula. I did get a mention in my previous video that they do wish that I try on the products. I'm sorry if I can't do that today. I'm a little bit out of it, but I promise to do try on tutorials on the items that I receive. So this is what the packaging looks like. I am a sucker for packaging, especially if it's like cute like this. The color Ursula, I don't know why I'm more of a villain kind of girl. I'm not into like the princesses. I'm more of a fan of the villains. So this is the color Ursula. It is definitely very nice. It is like a deep metallic purple. Very buttery. That was like a really weak swatch. Let me see if I can get more color payoff. This is the color Ursula. It's not as like metallic and sparkly as I thought it would be, as it looked here, but it is a nice color. I will work with this a little bit just to see how it goes. Next item in here is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This isn't like a completely small sample. It's alright for being, you know, a higher end brand. That it has a pump. I appreciate a pump. If you guys can see, this is the size of it. So it's not like completely small, but I mean, it's not like a really badass like sample size. It's like a trial size, not that bad. Let's see. Next thing in here is a 3-1. It's like there's 3 ones, and then it says skin. This is a Space Difference Bright Eye Lift Gel. I don't know if I butchered the name of that, but it is an eye serum. It does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it, but this feels pretty heavy. Like, it feels like it's packed with stuff. I love eye products, and if you guys can tell, your girl looks like super tired. Like, I haven't had sleep in like years. Let's see. Next item here is a lip crayon from Trasek in the color English Rose. I did get an eyeliner from Trasek in my last bag a few months ago, and I really love it. It's very creamy. Ooh, it is like a very deep color. It is deeper than the color, or is it the same? Let's swatch this. Very creamy, but it's more of a sheer formula. It is definitely more like of a lip tint, but nonetheless, it's really beautiful, and I do see myself wearing this. Let's check out the last and final item in my Ipsy bag, which is the Luxie 140 Detail Taper Blender. Is this for your eyes, or this looks more like of a concealer brush to me, and it looks like it could be from the Wonder Woman collection that they released, I don't know if last year. Could it be like the last year's holiday collection? I do really enjoy Luxie brushes. They're some of my favorite brushes aside from Morphe and all of that. It does feel a little bit like stiff. I don't know if this would be for my eyes or if I could use this. You know what? I think I would probably use this more to like pat down concealer. I don't know if I would use this for my eyes, but I do love a good Luxie brush. So that is all that I got for Ipsy this month. I'm not like blown completely away. I mean, these are the items that I got, but I mean, my bag wasn't terrible. Oh, and the eyeshadow. These are all the items that I got, but like I said, the bag wasn't terrible. I did upgrade to the Boxy Plus or whatever box. I will be unboxing that soon on my channel, but I didn't think it was bad. It wasn't my favorite box, but it wasn't bad either. So let's go ahead and get straight into the Boxycharm. Okay, now on to the Boxycharm. So Boxycharm, I did open and peek inside because I don't know, something's wrong with me lately. I've just been feeling very out of it, but let's go ahead and check it out. I think it's just the stress. I've been going under a lot of stress lately. So this month's theme is wildflower, and now they do this whole like flip card thing. They have some coupons in the back for anybody who eats them. I don't buy makeup anymore. I just strictly buy whatever I get from subscription boxes. If anything, I only buy foundation and concealer from the store. First things first is a Laura Geller Baked Blush in Breton. And in the back it says sample, not for sale. Interesting. You guys can see for yourselves. Sample, not for sale. In Tropic Hues. The color is really pretty though. It is very pretty. It's weird that this says it's a sample and that it's not for sale, but I mean, this does retail for $28. So I think I will be using this. I really do like these kind of blushes. I wasn't into illuminating was I saying brushes this whole time? Illuminating blushes. But I've been really getting into them recently, and especially now with winter right around the corner, these are gonna be amazing. Or this is gonna be amazing. I have issues. Next, we have the Alamar Cosmetics. I think I saw a review on this. This is the Ojitos brush set. This retails for $18. Would it be $18 for the whole set? I'm thinking. Honestly, I love the green brush tips, handles. I'm really into these kind of colors. This whole lime Ojitos thing, I really like it. Like, I can't get over the color. So these are the brushes. It seems like we have like a definer brush, a blending, and like a packing. This one would go great for like a cut crease, I guess. I mean, they're not bad. I will probably use these before I will probably wash these before I use them. But you know, I think this is a great value, and I'm happy that they're throwing in a lot of brushes. Boxycharm has been having almost brushes in every single one of their boxes, and it's usually more than one brush. There's always like a set. Okay, so next, we got this Butter London Stroke of Wow. Let's see how much this retails for. This one retails for $19. It's a little up there. I wouldn't waste more than $10 on an eyeliner, to be honest. I saw really bad reviews on this. I'm going to shake it up and I want to swatch it. Stroke of Wow, okay. This does remind me like of that one MAC eyeliner that came out last year that everybody was like really into. I don't know. If I'm being like really petty right now, this looks more like Stroke of Crap. I don't know. I feel like I'm like on the edge right now. This is not like a Stroke of Wow. This is more like a Stroke of, yeah. I'll pass this along. I'm not going to keep it. My sister just came over today and I gave her a bunch of makeup. I feel like I'm hoarding, literally. The next item I have here is a Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. And this one retails for $19. I got it in the color Nude Pink. So it is definitely a lip pencil crayon thing. The color is very nice. Ooh, this is like a baby nudie pink. I really like that. It felt very creamy. And I'm not like a big fan of these, But now that I've been getting really bad dry lips, I'm staying away from matte lips for a little while just until they get a little bit better, but I will give this a try and I really do enjoy the color. Last item here is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. I remember that this brand just launched last year, I think, and a lot of people reviewed it. This palette retails for $35. Pretty Vulgar is really kind of up there in price in Sephora. I haven't seen any newer releases from them other than last year's. I haven't seen anything new, so I don't know if they're coming out with new products. My palette has clearly been, I think, swatched. The Pillow Fight color, as you guys can see right there, that looks clearly like it's been swatched. I really don't care though. I feel like I'm just so done. I have like a really bad headache. I have been really out of it. I'll get more into it towards the end of the video. This palette, it screams my name. I like these kind of colors. They are smooth. So I did just do the color Flip Out, which is this brown one. That is how it's swatched. It skipped a little. I'm going to do one more. Let's do the one Silver Spoon, which is like this grayish metallic. This one has a little bit of fallout. Okay, this one is very pigmented. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is a really pretty color. This is a very smoky color, and this is very, very appropriate for fall. So I do enjoy the fact that they did add this palette. I have been intrigued to try Pretty Vulgar, but like I said, it is a little bit up there in price, and I have stopped buying makeup completely. I'm only sticking to whatever I get in subscription boxes, and as of now, I've been canceling a ton of them. I did enjoy my Boxycharm this month. I think the only thing that was like crap for me was this Butter London eyeliner. I feel like they could have thrown something else. And I really wanted the Hank & Henry liquid lipstick, and I got this, but I mean, I'm still happy. I enjoyed this month's box. I want to just go into a little bit of what's been going on with me lately. Sometimes I don't know how I feel. I'm not saying like I'm depressed, but definitely I feel like there's a lot on my plate right now, so I apologize for not filming as much. Haven't been feeling very good lately, but you know, I know I'm gonna get out of it. It's like a weird funk. I think like when seasons transition, my mood transitions as well. I have canceled a lot of boxes now that I am a student. I have become very cheap, and I'm getting rid of a lot of subscription boxes. I will go into more into depth as to why in a future video, but I have upgraded to the Boxy Plus, and I am on the wait list for Boxy Plus, Boxy Luxe, and I am on the wait list for the Ipsy Plus, or I think I mixed it up, but I have upgraded to those boxes, and I have a few boxes that I have subscribed to, but that are more affordable in price. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Bye.